when you go to click to create a GPT, there's a button at the bottom that says Actions. And it kind of makes no sense. You think, well, what's Actions? It's not for me. I'm just going to skip that. But you click Actions, and then it gets more confusing because it says like schema or something like that. And it has this open text area. And again, it seems technical, but OpenAI put this button there that says like get help from Actions GPT. And that's their own GPT that they made that understands how the Actions thing works. Basically, the Actions is to connect to a third-party API. You don't have to know how APIs work or anything like that, but basically it's what connects one app to another. So all you have to do from a user's perspective is find the tool that you want to use. So like in our case, we've got our knowledge base, we've got our support ticket system, and we've got another one for ClickUp for our project management. Just Google the name of that service. So like Google ClickUp API docs. You find the link, either take the link itself or go and copy stuff from that page, and you just paste it to the Actions GPT, and then it gives you the schema of what you need to connect it. And then you just paste that into the GPT that you're creating, and then that can connect it. And then you have to go through like a login process with whatever app it is. But you can do all of that without a developer. And it's maybe going to take like 15 or 20 minutes or so to set it up initially, but like it's worth it, I think, definitely to do that, because what you can do then is you've got the first step where, okay, we had the GPT check our emails, and then it checked the knowledge base and wrote our draft reply. But probably in your workflow, you have to do more things, right? So OpenAI lets you @mention GPTs. And what that means is like you can say @ and then you write the name of another GPT, and you can bring that into the conversation. So after we have the first one from our knowledge base, we have another one that knows it's connected to Heights platform. And so it knows the data about a student and the courses they have, and it can potentially grant them other courses. So you can put in the email, we can say, what's the latest email from this person? Can you like draft a reply for it? And then we say like, okay, well, what access does this person have? We @mention the other GPT, and it can tell us, okay, they've got access to this course. They've been enrolled since this date. And then we could say something like, okay, grant them access to this. And then it can go and do that for us. And then let's say like, okay, there's a lot here. Maybe we need to follow up on this task later on. So we want to have a task in our project management system. So now we @mention our ClickUp GPT. And we say, okay, take all the above, just summarize that into a new task for us in our project management. And then it goes and does that. So all in one conversation, you have this team of GPTs that can do all of that for you in the apps that you use. And that's where it starts to get really powerful.